Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Resize Frame and Resize Panel tools. Let's take an example from the library. Use a cabinet. Firstly, to resize a frame, select the tool Resize Frame. Select the frame. 3 lines are equal to the 3 axes. Click on a spot near the point. For example, this red axis, red point. If I want it to be longer, then drag to the right. And then type in the value on the keyboard, 700 for example. But if I want it to get shorter, then drag it inward, 700 for example. Do the same for the height. Drag up or down. And for the depth, drag outward or inward. Besides, we can also snap to a point. Select the tool Resize Frame. Select the frame. We can also snap to a point. Select it and then snap to a point on another frame. And another way to resize frame is to use properties. Select properties, select the frame, and in frame width, height, and depth, type in the new value. And then hit Enter key or left click. Next, to resize a panel, select the tool Resize Panel. Select the panel. It's quite similar to the tool Resize Frame. We also have red axis, green axis, and blue axis, equivalent to its size. Click on a spot near this one and then drag it up. Type in a value, 100 for example, so that it gets longer. But if I drag it down and type in a value, 100, then it gets shorter. For the back panel, it's a special panel, so we can't use the tool Resize Panel. Instead, in Properties, we can adjust its size. For example, top gap minus 100. If we type in a negative value, then the panel gets longer or higher. And for example, I add a panel here. And I can also snap to a point to resize it. This is an example. So this is how we use Resize Frame and Resize Panel tools. For more instructions, see you in the next videos.